Hello! Today we're going to be looking at solving some basic quadratic equations. And you see I have three examples here. All of them contain an x squared. And our goal here is to get x by itself. So number one, we simply have x squared equals 100. And what we're going to do is square root both sides. So I have the square root of x squared equals the square root of 100. Now, I need you to consider something here, because when we say x squared equals 100, we need to think of what number times itself is 100, or what number squared is 100. And there are actually two of them. X could be not only 10, but it could also equal negative 10, because 10 times 10 is 100, and negative 10 times negative 10 is 100. So, in order to more succinctly write this, we could simply say that x is equal to plus or minus 10. And what that means is, up here, anytime we square root both sides, we need to put a plus or minus sign in front of the square root of the number we're creating, because there are two answers here. Okay? You get used to that. And when you see an x being squared, or any variable being squared that you're solving for, you can expect up to two solutions. Alright, so let's look at number 2. I have 2x squared equals 98. Now my goal here is still to get x alone. And so I'm going to start by dividing both sides by 2. And so we end up getting x squared equals 49. And then we'll square root both sides, so square root of x squared equals, and remember, square rooting both sides, I need the plus or minus in front of the square root of 49. So the square root of x squared, I get x equals plus or minus square root of 49 is 7. So again, two solutions, a positive and negative 7. That would work here. Okay, and we'll do the same thing here for number 3. So we're going to get x squared alone, and our goal is our goal, so we're going to subtract 6. So x squared is equal to 121. And when I square root both sides, square root of x squared equals plus or minus square root 121. So x is equal to plus or minus 11. And we're done.